Hi everybody, welcome to the much anticipated DIY fault finding tutorial video. We're going to do a little bit of a mock-up here today and show you how you can ascertain whether you have a faulty appliance in your house or if you have faulty wiring and you need an electrician. So let's head on inside and see what it is that we're working with. So we've come inside the house now, and we've had a look here and seen that the fridge does not work. The other thing we've noticed on the bench here is that we've got a few appliances that also don't work. Now the reason the fridge and the appliances don't work is because the circuit in the switchboard has tripped. Now what we're going to try and find out, has the circuit tripped because you've got faulty wiring, or has the circuit tripped because you've got a faulty appliance? The first step in this process is to unplug any appliances that are plugged into the circuit that doesn't work. So you need to unplug your kettles, coffee machines, microwaves, everything. Now keep in mind, you're going to have to pull your fridge out and unplug that as well. And if you're in your kitchen, you've probably got a dishwasher as well, so you're going to have to unplug your dishwasher. So let's head back to the switchboard and see if we can turn the circuit back on, and let's see if it stays on. So we've come back out to your switchboard, and we're going to try and turn the circuit back on. Now if the circuit stays on, it's because you had a faulty appliance. Remember when you unplugged everything, you removed the faulty appliance from the circuit. So you come to your switchboard, turn the circuit back on, and if it stayed on, you're on to a winner. So now we're going to head back inside and we're going to see which appliance is actually faulty. So we've come inside from our switchboard, and the first thing we've done is check that the fridge is working. Now remember, in our case, we didn't unplug the fridge, but in real life you would have unplugged the fridge. So you'd be plugging it back in and then opening it and going, oh great, the fridge works. The other thing you would do next is then come over to all the appliances that you unplugged. One at a time you plug them back in. So plug your kettle in, turn the power point on. We know the circuit hasn't tripped yet because our fridge is still working. You can then plug the next appliance in, which in this case is a coffee machine. Plug it in, turn it on. If the circuit trips, you've got a faulty coffee machine. Now instead of walking out to the switchboard every time you plug an appliance in, you know you've got a fridge as a reference point, so you can just come over here every time you plug an appliance in and check that the fridge light is still on. If it's on, the circuit hasn't tripped yet. So for imagination's sake, if we plugged the coffee machine in and it tripped the circuit, we would know that because when we opened the fridge, the light was out. Now a different scenario is that you've come home, you've seen the power's gone out, you've gone to the switchboard, you've seen that your safety switch has tripped, and you've come inside and done exactly what I've said. You've unplugged all of your appliances, you've unplugged your fridge, your microwave, your dishwasher, the whole lot. You've then gone back out to your switchboard and you've turned the breaker back on. It's tripped again. What that means is you don't have a faulty appliance, you've possibly got faulty wiring in your house, and then you do need an electrician. So I'm going to go out and show you what that looks like so you know what I'm talking about. So you've come back outside from your kitchen and you're about to turn your safety switch back on. You're expecting the circuit to stay on, right? Wrong. In this instance, you've come back out here to turn the safety switch on and it won't stay on. No matter what you do, it keeps tripping. So you head back inside thinking you've missed an appliance. You go through the whole kitchen again and you make sure you've got everything unplugged. You've even checked the lounge in case that's connected to the kitchen somehow, and you're 100% sure everything's unplugged. So you're back out here again thinking, what the hell's going on? Won't stay on. In this case, you've probably got a wiring fault in your house and you do need an electrician. There's also a very slight chance that you have a faulty safety switch, and again, you'll need an electrician. So there you have it everybody, a very basic DIY fault finding process that you can follow at home next time you have a power outage. Now just keep in mind, if you came to the conclusion that you had a faulty appliance, don't throw the appliance out yet. You could have had a faulty power point the appliance was plugged into, and you need a licensed electrician to prove that for you. If you came to the conclusion that you had a wiring fault in your house, again, please use a licensed electrician to perform the work. When that work has been performed, you must make sure you get your certificate of electrical safety. So there you have it. If you could please like and share this video so all your family and friends can see it as well, and hopefully next time they have a power outage, they have a positive outcome.